Hey beautiful people, it's your favorite girl Munnoh. I am back with another requested video tutorial, and this time we will be doing a V-shaped Ruffles Gele. If you're interested in this, please keep watching. The ashoke that I'll be using for this tutorial is 75 inches long and it has 3 layers. Okay, so I'm going to be using the ratio 30-70. That is, one side of the ashoke is going to be 70 inches longer than the other part. Okay, so I am going to be making a V shape. I have placed the gele on the model's head. One side of the gele is going to cover the model's ear, while the other side goes behind her ear. That is how you achieve your V shape. Okay, so I have gone ahead to make base pleats. I'm just arranging them to make sure they look nice. For the crossing at the back, the shorter hand is going to stay down while the longer flap is going to stay up. I hope you understand what I mean by that. Now that the shorter flap has come forward, I am going to repeat the same number of pleats that I did on the other one on this shorter flap. Okay, so when it comes forward, it's going to cover the ear that we left open. That is how it forms a V. Make sure that your V is centered, except you're doing a side V, but the regular V should be centered at the center of the face, the center of the head. Ensure that you pull the gele firmly on the model's head before you secure with your pin, because you know we're not going to be doing any form of tying for this gele. You want to ensure that it is sitting firmly on your client's head, otherwise it's going to be falling off and you don't want that to happen. So go ahead and secure with your pin and then prepare to bring the other flap. Take away any excess fabric that is in the way and then pull your fabric forward and make a few pleats before you proceed to making the ruffles. If you are still here watching this video, I want to believe that you actually like it. Please go ahead and click the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed. Share this video with your friends, your family, your enemies as well. You never can tell who needs to see this video, and it's also going to help YouTube recommend it to more people. If you have any video requests, any gele that you're struggling with and you would like to see how I would maneuver it, or you want me to recreate the style, please send it to me on Instagram. My handle will be on the screen and also in the description. When pinning gele on your client's head, ensure that the sharp part of the pin always comes back out. If not, it's going to be poking the client and you don't want that to happen. I'm going to be making the ruffles now. There is no easy or hard way to make ruffles. Your best bet is to just randomly pick your gele or ruffle up your gele. That's why it's actually called ruffles. Okay, so you just want to keep scrunching your gele, you know, squeezing it, if that makes sense. All right, so you keep doing that and then pinning at strategic points to keep the ruffles you are creating in place. All right, did you know that most of the styles you see me create here can be recreated as auto geles? Yes, that's what we do at Munnoh Gele. We make auto geles that look like they were hand tied. So if you would like to patronize me, please reach out to me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is on the screen and it's also in the description area. Click the link and send me a message. I would gladly recreate the auto gele for you. Our prices are affordable, our services are top notch, I guarantee you that, and we deliver worldwide. Okay, so wherever you are, we can get to you. Okay, keep watching to see how I ensure that this gele stays sturdy on the client's head and doesn't fall off at the slightest touch, because as you can see, it's not strong. If I leave it as it is, it's going to keep falling off. So before the end of the video, you're going to see how I make sure that it stays in place. I'm basically just arranging the ruffles that I created and making sure that it looks nice. That is what I'm doing at this point. You see that excess hand at the back? That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to take that excess hand and then attach it to the ruffles that I created. I'm going to make sure that I pin it in a way that they become one. That hand there is going to prevent the ruffles that we created from falling backwards or from even falling forwards. Okay, it's just going to make sure that that stays in place. So you just keep arranging and arranging until it looks nice, until you are satisfied with what you have done. That is what I am doing. So I'm just going to push it back a little to reveal her hairline. Once I'm happy with it, we are done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it, share it, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new uploads. Until I come your way next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. Okay, bye.